Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Taste. This morning I went to Building Gate Markets again and I do get a couple of very nice seafood over there. Previously, I will teach you guys how to make stir-fried clam with black bean sauce. 豉椒炒蜆, it is one of the top 10 dishes in Hong Kong Dai Pai Dong, and it is one of the dishes people will judge the Dai Pai Dong is a good one or not. Sounds good? Let's start. For ingredients, we have oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, ground white pepper, sugar, black bean garlic sauce, garlic, spring onion, corn flour, water, and the most important thing, clams. First of all, we need to choose and clean the clams. We need to leave it in the tap water for about 1 hour, as to allow them to remove all the sand in the shell. For this hour, we need to change the water for around 1 to 2 times, as to make sure the clams don't need to be clean. In the meantime, we need to cut the garlic and spring onion in the mash. For the sauce, basically we're mixing the oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, ground white pepper, and dark soy sauce. Also, we need to prepare the corn flour water for later use. It's almost an hour, and we can remove the water. To make sure the clam is clean enough, we have to cook them in boiling water for about 1 minute. After cooking the clams for 1 minute, so you can see some of them are wide open, which is great, but some of them don't. We have to open it with a knife as to make sure it won't ruin the whole pot. See, this is the example I'm talking about. The clam is filled with sand and there's no clam at all. Therefore, make sure you check it or the ruining the other clams. What I've been also doing is I want to remove the other side of the shell. For most of the restaurants, they will just leave it like that. However, because I'm just doing it for myself, I will just, throw that away. Now it is time to stir fry the clam. Firstly, we need to stir fry the garlic, spring onion, and the black bean garlic sauce together. Once you can stir the flavor, add the clam. When it is almost done, add a little bit of boiling water. Stir fry it for about 1 more minute. Then add the sauce and the corn flour water and stir fry it for about 1 more minute. Hi guys, so this is the stir-fried clam with black beans. If you got any question about the tutorial, if you leave a message below, please give me a thumb up, share my video and subscribe to my channel. And please tell me what you want me to make for my next video too. Alright, see you later.